Good morning, students. Welcome to the session 2. Dear students, please note that we studied the definition of integers and few examples in the session 1. In today's session 2, we study few more concepts on integers and examples. Please be ready. And note that while copying the contents, I suggest you pause the video and write, then play to continue. And I advise you write all the notes in only one notebook so that it would be easy for you to refer and revise. Pause the video if you need, then play to continue. Let us begin today's class. Dear students, observe the number line. Hope you know how to draw the number line. 0, right side of 0, plus 1, plus 2, plus 3, and so on to infinite. Left side of 0, negative integers. Here you see right side 1, 2, 3, left side minus 1, minus 2, and so on. I'll draw again. You please draw neatly. You see this picture. This is number line, minus infinity to plus infinity, and we see positive integer, right side of 0, left side of 0, negative integers. On a number line, please note that when we add positive integer, we move to the right side of 0. When we add positive integer, we move right side of 0. Please copy the notes. And when we add negative integers, we move left side of 0. Left side of 0. This is very simple concept. Hope you understood. Let us continue to the next page. Now we have few statements. Read the statements and observe the correct or incorrect statements. If it is incorrect, you correct the statement. Let us see the statement. When two positive integers are added, we get positive integer. It is true or false, you see. Plus 5 plus 9, for example, you see addition is equal to plus 14. So the statement is true. Therefore, we say this is correct statement. For example, plus 5 plus 9 is equal to 5 plus 9 is equal to 14 is positive integer. Therefore, the statement is correct statement. Understood, students? Let us see the second statement. When two negative integers are added, we get positive integer. negative integers are added, do we get positive integer? Let us see. This is incorrect statement because we explain this one with the help of example. -5 plus of -9 is equal to, it is -5 minus 9 is equal to -14. So we are getting negative integer. We correct the statement now. Therefore, when two negative integers are added, we get negative integer only. One more example, -2 minus 7 is equal to -9. So we are getting negative integer. When two negative integers are taken, we get negative integer. Please copy the notes. Next statement. When a positive integer and a negative integer are added, we always get negative integer. Is this true? We can explain this again with the help of example. This is actually incorrect statement because you see the example, +5 minus 9. One is positive, one is negative, is equal to +5 minus 9 is equal to -4. Here we are getting negative integer. If we take one more example, +11 and -4. +11 minus 4 is +7. Here we are getting positive integer. Bigger number sign is given, +7. Therefore, when a positive integer and negative integer are added, we may get positive or negative integer. It depends on the integers, given integers. Please copy the notes by pausing the video, then continue. Hope you understood the statements. One more statement. Additive inverse of an integer 8 is -8. Positive number becomes negative. That is called additive inverse of a number. Similarly, additive inverse of -8 is +8. This is very simple statement which is correct statement. Few more examples on additive inverse are given below. Try to answer yourself. Integer 10 is given. What is additive inverse of 10? Additive inverse of 10 is -10. I repeat, it is -10. Now, -10, its additive inverse is +10, +10. Similarly, try to answer 76. It is -76 and -76 becomes +76 additive inverse. One is positive, other one is negative of the same number. +10 becomes -10, -10 becomes +10 in the picture. And hence the additive inverse of any integer a is -a, and additive inverse of -a is +a. Hope you understood additive inverse of a number. Here we have one example. When one positive integer and negative integers are added and we take their difference and place the sign of bigger sign. This is very important in case of addition subtraction. Sign of the bigger integer. You see one example. Minus 56 plus 73 is equal to plus 17. Why plus 17? Because 73 is bigger number, its sign is given. Plus 17. One more example you see. Minus 113 plus 82 equal to minus 31. Why it is minus? Because 113 is having negative sign. Bigger number sign is to be given here, minus 31. Similarly, try to answer 16 plus of minus 23 equal to what? Bigger numbers 23, its sign is minus, the difference is minus 7. 23 is having bigger number, its sign is given minus. Similarly, 125 plus of minus 101 is equal to 125 is bigger, minus 101 is plus 24. Bigger number sign is given here. See few more examples. Minus 15 plus 17 is equal to plus 2. Bigger number 17 plus 2. Minus 57 plus 29 is equal to minus 28. Observe the bigger number sign, minus 28. Minus 34 plus of minus 75. Both are negative. We get negative answer only, minus 109. And here one more example you see. Minus 45 plus 45. One is negative, other one is positive. Same number, when we add we get 0. Answer is 0. Dear students, few more examples. Try to answer yourself. Minus 21 plus 19. Bigger number is minus 21. Its sign is negative. 21 bigger number, its sign is minus, minus 2 answer. 54 plus of minus 25. Bigger number is 54, its sign is positive. Difference is 29. Here I'll give few more examples, but you must answer all these simple questions. When you do it yourself, you understand better, you understand more. Try to answer. I'll move to the next page. We find that for any two integers a and b, a plus of minus b is a minus b. Please note that plus into minus is minus a minus b. And a minus of minus b is a plus b. Minus into minus becomes plus. And since minus 10 plus 3 is minus 7 and 10 minus 3 is plus 7, Therefore, we say minus 10 plus 3 is not equal to 10 minus 3. Simple concepts. Try this question. Here we have given few pattern and the question is complete the pattern. 7, 3, minus 1, minus 5. What is its next number? If you observe 7 and 3, minus 4 is subtracted. 7 minus 4 is 3. 3 minus 4 is minus 1. Minus 5 minus 4 is minus 9 answer. Minus 9 minus 4 again. Next number is minus 13. Minus 13 minus 4 again equal to minus 17. You have to find the difference between the numbers. It's easy to write the pattern. Try to answer the next. Minus 2, minus 4, minus 6, minus 8. So here minus 2 is taken in each case. We now do minus 8 minus 2. It becomes minus 10. Minus 10 minus 2 becomes minus 12. Try to write the next. It is minus 14. Answer C and D yourself. It's very simple pattern. Hope you can answer. I'll move to the next. Dear students, answer the following simple questions on addition. Find the sum. 9 plus of minus 4. Bigger number is 9. Its sign is positive. Plus 5. The difference. Next, minus 5 minus 2. Both are negative. It is minus 5 minus 2 becomes minus 7. Similarly, try to answer the remaining questions yourself. Hope you can answer these simple questions. Dear students, now we see the solutions to the exercise 1.1 in the next class. We will meet in the next class. Thank you, dear students. Take care.